interrupt your daily programming to give you the latest update on the situation. So far 2 of their attacks have been repelled at the shore. It is not known whether a full bombardment will ensue or not, but we notice a large naval presence nearby. By intelligence, the United Federal Bureau of Island Security will evacuate you to nearby shelters in case another siege or bombardment happens. More.
So it turns out the 4 attacks have been repelled several times, although I would suggest evacuation in case something else happens. However, shelters will be open to anyone in need. This is Catherine, your news anchor.
This is not a drill. I repeat, this is not a drill. The capital of Green Isles has been taken by the Imperial forces. There is no hope. Genocide awaits. Pray to your God and deities for survival as we fiercely defend the remnants of the Isles.